Porsche Carrera 4S rear quarter panel damage. We're going to repair this without doing any kind of painting or body work on this vehicle. You can see that rear body line is just completely pushed in and distorted. We're going to get that all back and bring this car back to pre-loss condition. You can see we're manipulating this metal from the outside and the inside using different techniques. You can see we're inserting basically like a rod to the back side of the dent so we can slowly manipulate and massage it out, and also from the outside using some blending hammers like the one you're seeing here. This is a polished steel blending hammer, which basically is used for outside metal manipulation. We're getting it all back together, and this car is going home the same day it was brought in. So if you have any questions about Paintless Dent Repair, reach out at 386-216-5185 or cfldentrepair.com. Thanks for watching.